Alright guys, so my wife got me this Carhartt tool bag. It's really nice. Has a bunch of pockets in it. It's like hard plastic rubber on the bottom. This is going to go in the back of my side-by-side, and it's going to have tools in it. Because I get sick and tired of going back and forth from the pasture somewhere on the farm to the barn. So for my birthday, my wife got me this bag and a gift card to the hardware store, and I went and got a bunch of hand tools and stuff. So let's dig in and see what I got. And then in the comments, guys, if you think I'm missing something, the best thing that's really, just put it in the comments. But the best thing that's going to happen is as I go about my life on the farm, I'm going to realize, oh, I should put this in here or whatever. I should go buy this. This would be helpful to have in here. So we're going to get started. The first thing, a good heavy duty hammer. I'm going to use this mostly for pounding in grounding rods. I need a good, I used a rubber mallet for a while, and I gotta tell you, it just didn't last. The head of it ended up popping off. You just bang on it too often. So I got a nice sturdy metal head hammer. So I got drill bits. This thing was like normally 50 bucks. I think it was 29. So I got a case of these drill bits that I will be able to put. And the reason I liked these ones specifically is because they're clear on the front and I'm gonna know what's in them. The worst is these ones that are solid color and you have like 5 of them and you have to open every single one, and of course the one you need is always the last one you open. So got some of these, and I got the biggest one I could because, guys, let's face it, we all lose bits and all that good stuff. So I wanted to have a set that can specifically go in here. And I wanted to make sure that I had a little something for everything. So I got the big set. I have a couple drills laying around, and I'm going to use what I got before buying anything new, but I think one of them's on their last leg, and when that happens, I'll probably go get a new set. So if anybody likes a specific kind or something and wants to recommend one, that's something else you could leave in the comments. Next, pencils. Guys, ladies, gentlemen, it even comes with a sharpener, guys. That's great. Marking pencil. I know every single guy on here has bought maybe 70 of these, or they go to the hardware store and they're like, oh, I'm just gonna buy 15 of these and I'll never lose them. A week later, you can't find a single one of the 15. Well, got me a set. It's gonna have its own individual pocket on the inside, so there we go. Let me already to put the sharpener back in here, and we are good to go, guys, on that. Next, a sort of all-in-one tool. It's a ratcheting screwdriver that comes with several bits. So, to be honest, pretty excited about this one. I'm usually not the biggest fan of like ratcheting things and stuff like that, but because, to be honest, I lose them or do whatever. And but this one looked intriguing, so I'm going to give it a shot and I'll keep you posted. But it looks like, oh yes, on the bottom I can put them inside here and hold the extra bits in the bottom. So that's cool. Next, a blowtorch. Some of you are like, well, what do you need a blowtorch for? Well, I have a lot of fencing that I do, not fencing, hoses and drip lines and stuff like that, and sometimes heating those up is very, very helpful in getting fittings on and stuff like that. So I got myself a torch, guys. I want to be able to torch what I need to torch when I want to torch it. I don't really know a whole bunch about these. I've got a lot of experience with torches, just not this kind, but I think I'm gonna leave this and this separate. Leave a comment in the comment section if anybody has an idea on leaving these separate or keeping them together. But for right now, I think I'm gonna keep them separate. But nonetheless, it's gonna be in here and it's gonna be glorious. All right, so next, new tape measure. I didn't get a nice one, a really expensive one, just because I don't really feel like what I'm using outside of the barn, this is going to be for quick measurings and stuff like that, and not actual building things. So got me one of these guys, 25 foot, does the job. That's all I needed to do. So we will clip that on the bag and keep it pushing. Next, we got an Allen key set. Gentlemen, who doesn't need an Allen key set? Just about everybody does. So next, I'm gonna leave these all in the package for now, but spade bit sets, quick drilling, had to get me a set. Let's see, what else do we got? Because I hardly ever need these, but when I do, I really need one. So, figured I'd get a set. Next, I mean, obviously, we need Sharpies. So, I'm putting a Sharpie in here. I should get a couple colors. I didn't go high on the nice stuff, man. Guys, I got Husky. These are lower end tools, but they're farm tools, something I'm using out in the field. So I got a set with some more tools here. So we got that. More pliers. Some snips. And a nice honking set of needle nose pliers. Always come in handy. This one I was really excited for. Wire cutters. Guys, you own a fence, you have a farm and you own a fence. I mean, what do you, bolt cutters are a necessity on the farm. So I don't even have a pair of these in the barn, but I'm really excited to have a pair. So anyways, get those in there. Oh, what else did I get? A level. Put that in here. Somewhere on the outside. A thing of 2.5-inch screws. Man, just having some screws out on the farm is going to be great, and a great opportunity to fix things on the fly. And then we've got another hammer. Milwaukee. It's a nice hammer, 12-ounce hammer. Put that in here and ready to go. And then I got some high leverage lineman pliers. Man, these things are just great to cut something really quick, bend some wire, and then a utility knife. This is another one of those items, some gentlemen, that we all lose or we don't have enough of. So getting a pair for the bag, I felt like was extremely necessary. Nice little Milwaukee one. It's got that little cutter doohickey for wire and stuff, so I'm really excited about that. Have that on the outside of the bag. And then last but not least, a whole ratcheting set. This is obviously not going to go in the bag, but it's going to go on the thing because, man, I need a ratcheting set all the time. So I'm going to have this on the side-by-side. So again, guys, this Carhartt bag, it's got plenty. Let me get you guys some light. This Carhartt bag has got plenty of room here. I'm going to get some more permanent markers and some marking utility stuff, pens and stuff. Man, I've got all of this in here. It opens up pretty wide, as you can see. Tons of stuff in here. Same thing on the other side. So I'm really excited about this. This is a really cool bag. Please leave your comments in the comment section below if there's something you think I'm missing or something I should be adding that's really important. Thanks for following along, guys. Aaron Singerman, the farming realtor at Ripple Run Farms. Bye, guys.